Yo guys, have you ever wondered if you have a Lenovo notebook? Okay, it's a Chinese model Lenovo notebook. Okay, so I'm trying it. It currently has Windows 10, but Windows 10 sucks. Okay, I wanna downgrade to Windows 7. I already use this USB, and I have what do we say, I have created a USB bootable Windows 7 Ultimate. Okay, so let's first of all make sure that the notebook is turned off. Okay, make sure that it is turned off, and I'm gonna show you full step by step how you can enter the how you can trigger the BIOS and go to the boot menu. All right, so first of all you wanna plug this USB in. Okay, and make sure that the as you can see, I have only one light. Okay, so currently this I have this laptop uncharged. Okay, it's currently being charging. Okay, that's why there's only one light. All right, so I'm gonna show you best method how you can trigger the how to power on, okay, using the Novo button. Okay, so you wanna use this. Okay, it's like a some sort of pinch or whatever. All right, so you wanna grab this, and here you will find, oh my god, it's too hard to focus on that because the hole is so small. Okay, you will find a small hole like this. Yeah, so as I was saying, you will find a little hole like this. Okay, but this is not the hole. Okay, so you will find it at the right, at the left hand side. Okay, so here we go. So all you gotta do is to pinch it. Okay, is to pinch it, and you will see the second light will start flicking. As you can see guys, we are now in the Novo button menu. Okay, normal setup, BIOS setup, boot menu. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is a trick, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. And as you can see guys, I am currently loading Windows. As you can see, Windows is loading files. Okay, starting Windows, and after that I'm gonna partition. Okay, I'm gonna partition the hard disk, and I will install Windows 7 Ultimate. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I have many disk partition. Okay, so as you can see, if this one is my primary hard disk. Okay, it's over 451 gigabytes. Okay, so I would like to install this on the disk 0 partition 3, but here I get this: Windows cannot be installed to disk 0 partition 3 and show details. It's because it's not, as you can see, the selected disk is of the GPT partition style. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show you how to fix that also. All right, so all you gotta do, function shift and F10. Okay, and as you can see, as I have said, this will bring up the command prompt on your Windows installation screen. I did select disk 0. Okay, disk 0 is here, and now all you gotta do is to type clean. Okay, and hit start, not start, but tap enter. Okay, as you can see, this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. and you should be getting this: installing Windows, okay, expanding Windows files, and currently copying Windows. And as you can see here, it's my the USB drive, okay. So now we are good to go. All you gotta do is to wait now, and your computer will restart several times during the installation. Alright guys, so this is how we clean install Windows 7. Okay, this is how we downgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 7 Ultimate. Thanks for watching. This is Yashvia Gaming. Please give a thumbs up, okay, press the like button, and yeah, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you guys. Peace.